Okay, so I've got the ST guitar back up on the bench now. It's dried for about 3 days since we sprayed the clear gloss. Remember that was an acrylic, so it dries much quicker than a lacquer, for example. And as you can see, we've got that nice glossy finish. But if we hold the guitar up a little closer to the light, and you can see where the light reflects just around here, you can see that peel effect through the paint, that orange peel effect, and that indicates uneven areas in the paint. So the next thing we need to do, taking an 800 grit paper, is just start sanding and trying to remove that orange peel effect. Now I've already been sanding in this area for a little while before I hit record on the video, so I'll hold the guitar up in a second and just show you the difference there. So hopefully this is coming up nice and clear, but this area here I've been sanding, and it's far less glossy now, but it's also got far less of that peel effect through it. You can see as the light passes over, it sort of disappears there. Now there's still some areas, you can still see the odd little spot here and there, and that just means the sandpaper hasn't taken the top off that area yet, where the rest has got that matte finish. So what we're really trying to do at this stage is get that matte finish across the whole guitar, and this stage can take a little while. I expect it to take a couple of hours to sand this whole guitar down from here, but we'll then follow it up with a 1200 grit, and that'll be a little bit quicker, and the guitar will start to get some of that gloss look back that we're currently taking off now. Okay, so you can see, hold the guitar up now, we've got that matte finish on most of the guitar. We've just still got some of that shine on these curves. And one little trick that can help when you're sanding curves is to take an eraser and wrap some sandpaper around that. It conforms those curves a little easier. Just allows you to get a little more into those curves from there. Especially useful when you're doing horns, for example. Okay, so I've been sanding away for a little while now. You can see the guitar's taken on that matte finish I was talking about earlier. So next, I'm going to just do a little bit of